Good evening, everyone. I'm Rebecca Barron, Director of Operations with Autism Tree, and I want to give a huge thank you to the Madcaps class of 2029. In 2024, you dedicated over 100 volunteer hours to embracing and connecting with our children, families, and autism community, and we couldn't be more grateful. From reading books to our kids at our third Little Free Library opening ceremony, to becoming beach buddies at our Bridge to the Beach program family days, to playing mini golf with our families at the 4th annual A2 Rocks Golf Tournament, getting active with San Diego Gymnastics at our Fit and Fun workshops, and spreading joy at our annual Winter Wonderland holiday celebration, and so much more across our 20 free programs. Your kindness and commitment have made a lasting impact. We are incredibly honored to be a community partner of Madcaps and are especially thankful to the mothers and daughters who have shared their hearts with our Autism Tree families. Thank you for helping us create a world where the autism community can live their best lives and thrive.